Welcome to my new series of left-handed stitch tutorials. Full transparency, I'm right-handed, but I stitch on a slate frame, which requires you to use both hands anyways, so I'm going to switch things up today and stitch this with my left hand. I like to start by making a quilter's knot. You'll just place the tail of your thread towards the tip of your needle and twist it around, and then you'll pinch those twists and pull through, and a small knot will form. We'll be using this knot to make an away knot, far away from where the knot will form. This will provide correct tension for the knot and make it way easier for you. Come up through the fabric a few inches away from the away knot. Then using your right hand, you will place your forefinger and thumb on the working thread and begin to twist the thread around the working thread with your needle. It doesn't really matter which way you twist it, it's just whatever feels most natural to you. Go back down through the fabric right next to where you came up and make sure that the wraps are snug against the needle before you pull the working thread through. Here it is again in case you need a second look.